Milwaukee Public Schools offer exciting options for Montessori education from K-3 through grade 12. MPS is home to the largest cluster of public Montessori schools in the nation. Montessori methods are more than 100 years old, are used in more than 20,000 schools around the world, and are based on observations of how children naturally learn and engage with their environment. Certified Montessori teachers lead classrooms communities that include children in a 3-year age span. Children may accelerate their progress or take time to gain confidence, developing independence and a passion for learning. Children learn through hands-on work, sensory exploration, and real-world skills. Students gain a depth of knowledge, acquiring the hows and whys in biology, mathematics, language, geography, and more. Contact an MPS Montessori school to request a tour and see classrooms in action.
Discover and explore the world at MPS Montessori School.